as I discussed in the previous session, that we need to sustain above the level of 17,700 or 800 to count this as a wave 1 and wave 2 and this as a starting of the wave 3. Okay, so as of now we have rejected from that level. We have not sustained or given a closing above 17,800, and we have rejected from that level and we are coming down. Okay, but the important level is this 17,250, which is the low of budget day. If we get a closing below this level, we can assume that this can be another fall which will break this level also, which is 16,830 zone, and it will come to the lower level again. Okay, so it might, there is another possibility if this happens. Okay, I'm not saying this will happen, but if this level goes and we start trading below 17,240, so there is a possibility of a triangular formation as a wave 4. Okay, so what, how it will look like? This can be whatever this is a wave A, this was a wave B, and we will be falling like a wave C, and then there will be a wave D. Okay, all the waves will be corrective waves. All right, as we seen here, these are corrective waves, not an impulse. It can be taken as a corrective waves ABC, not an impulse, and we are, if we fall below this level, so this whole rise will become a corrective, and this will also be taken as a corrective wave, and then another there will be a corrective wave as a wave. If Nifty start trading below 17,240, so this structure can become a triangular structure. It may take a form of a triangle, and the triangle will look like this. That this can, the whole corrective structure of this double zigzags can be taken as a wave A, here wave A, and this as a wave B. All right, and then this as a wave C. The fall, if Nifty start trading below 17,240, we can expect the low below the level of 16,800 again. Okay, but it will fail to break this level 16,400, so it will take a form of triangle, and then we will again break this high 17,800, will not break this high 18,350 or 60 zone, and then there will be a final drop as wave E, and then we can expect a new high later. Okay, so this is the possibility only. This will start only when if Nifty starts trading below 17,240. Okay, and what's the next another possibility if it doesn't goes like this? Okay, so let us see what is the bullish count. So I'm this is the chart of 1 hour time frame, and you can see that I have designated some kind of a bullish structure here from this level. Okay, so may be possible. Okay, I'm not confirming as of now because we are not trading above 17,800. Okay, so uh, if this is wave 1, as discussed in the previous session, if this is wave 1 and if this is wave 2, we can rise in the wave 3. Okay, and for this we have to maintain the level of 17,800, but as of now we have a first rejection from that level, but still we have established a point of 17,240, which is budget day low. We are not trading below that level. Okay, so if the price action start trading above again from this level, and we start trading sustaining above 17,800 zone, so we can expect and we can say that this is the leading diagonal wave 1. All right, 1 2 3 4 5, this is wave 1, and this is a expanded flat ABC wave 2. Then there is a third of third, starting of a third of third, means this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we will go up 3 4 and 5 is still pending. Okay, but if this low is gone in the coming session 70,240, so our bullish structure will distort it. We cannot make this rise as an impulsive rise. Okay, we cannot designate, we are not able to designate this structure as an impulsive structure if this level goes. and then therefore I am opening an alternate idea of a triangular structure based on, because we know that the triangular structure is best fit in the wave 4 area. So I'm just, I have shown here that I have designated this level as a wave 3 on a higher degree, so this can be a larger degree wave 4 correction, which may take a form of um, triangle. Okay, but there are alternate possibilities that in the previous session I told you that this can be a wave A, this can be wave C, and we will go as a wave C, in which wave C will unfold in five waves: one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so the fall may be possible. We have completed the wave 1 on the downside. This can be wave 1. This is wave 2, which has completed, already completed to 17,800 region. And this region is also an important, as I told you in the previous session, that this is 0.618 or 61.8 retracement area, Fibonacci level. Okay, and it has rejected, and the general guideline also says that wave 2 goes to the level of 61.8% Fibonacci level. So this is Fibonacci retracement level, and we are rejecting from this level. So if we fall impulsively means we need to see 1 2 3 4 5 on the downside, and if we fall we break this level, which is 17,240 and 16,800, and this level also goes 16,400. So you will be confident that this is a wave 3 on the downside, because this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we are in a wave 3, and which will be very strong wave, okay, to the downside, and at least it should be a length equal to the wave 1. Okay, so for the downside target also, if we start measure this, so the wave 3 at least will go to the level of 16,280 zone. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2, there will be wave 3, and there will be wave 4, and there will be wave 5, which will complete the ABC correction for this wave 4. Okay, but if we failed to break this level, which is 16,400, our triangular structure will activate. Okay, so how should we execute these trading ideas? Okay, how should we execute these trade plans? So first of all, this level is very important, which is the low of budget day low. If we break, we have two possibilities, that a triangle or a wave C. So we will go first for a triangle. Okay, if this goes, we will be targeting for this level, which is 16,800, to break this level to make new low and then reverse. Okay, so as long as this level is maintained 70,240, you will not go bearish as of now. If you have shorted here, so you can place your stop loss on the cost based on the previous idea. If you have gone shorted, if you have taken the risk here in this area, so you have much more cushion of almost 300 to 200 points, and you can keep your stop loss here, and you can ride the this downside move. Okay, so you can put your stop loss. If you are not having any positions, so just wait, not enter, do not jump, do not conclude anything at this moment. If price is coming near here and is bouncing on the lower time frame, making higher highs, higher lows, then you can go for a long position, keeping a stop loss below 17,245. Okay, so for a new high, which is above 17,800 zone. Okay, but if this level goes, you can turn bearish for breaking this level 16,840 zone in the coming session. Okay, and if this goes, we are not don't be aggressive that this will also go. Okay, because there is a possibility of wave 4 triangle, and if this happens, we will be our major our major establishment will be 16,400 for a new all-time high in the nifty. Okay, so to become bearish on the market, you have to trade below the level of 16,400 on closing basis, on the daily time frame. Okay, so as of now, we are not bearish on the market. Okay, although we are rejected from the 61.8% retracement Fibonacci level, although this fall is impulsive, looking like an impulsive, we cannot conclude that this is impulsive. This is looking like an impulsive. So can be a wave one, this can be a wave two, and maybe possible we are in a wave three. It may be possible, but the confirmation will come. It is a wave three if we break this level 16,400. If it is not breaking this 16,400, we are in overall the direction of the market will be bullish, and we will be with this triangular structure idea. Okay. So this is the general idea about the market, that as long as 16,400 is maintained on the closing basis, we will be bullish. Even if we break this level as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we have to check that if this is a wave C, so how much we are falling, and the nature of the fall, whether it is completed the wave 3, 4, 5 or not.